There is no need to carry several fixed-size wrenches when you have Klein Tools adjustable head construction wrench. This adjustable wrench is forged from durable, select alloy steel. A continuous taper handle helps align bolt and rivet holes. Adjustable wrench for nuts and bolts up to 1 1/2 inch. Carry a single adjustable wrench instead of several fixed sizes. Continuous taper handle makes alignment of bolt holes easier. Heat treated for long life.
Hello everyone, my name is Andre, and today I have the greatest pleasure and opportunity to share with you and recommend an amazing set of two of flexible drill bit extension in order to use when you need to reach hard reachable points in order to drill or to screw or unscrew different kind of screws. And of course it's flexible and you can easily adjust it to that angle. And of course it's compatible with any type of drills. You can easily just set it up, choose the head that you need to use, insert it, and then adjust it to that angle and start working with it. Super flexible, and of course you can easily drill, screw, unscrew anything that you need from any perspective and of course any corner using any drills that you have in your possession. And of course this one is super great in order to work freely and of course productive. So if you guys are looking for an extension like that, a flexible extension for bits for yourself, you should definitely have to consider this set because this one is definitely a recommendation from me.
Professional Suppression RG59, 58, 6 Coaxial Cable F, BNC, RCA connector to ensure the quality of the suppression while showing a beautiful appearance. Compatible with most connectors, including 3 coaxial cable adapters F, BNC and RCA to fit any needs in one tool. Rubber coasting handle and tested double springs to make your every crimp nice and easy. The stainless steel blade and the curve blade design make you steady and labor-saving while cutting. The big angle design between blades and handles of scissors makes your hand never to touch any object while you operate the scissors. Adjustable range design of the blades makes you easy to change over switch and satisfied your requirement while you cut different object. Turning space at the end of the blades for better control whether cutting a curve or 90-degree angle. The perfect scissors for cutting cardboard, carpets and recycling. Time saving without hurting your hands. Wrecking bar with ISO core shock control system transfers 4x less shock and vibration than wood handles, reducing punishment your body takes. Board bender and straightener to reuse and straighten boards. Chisel and pry to easily remove tile, striking face, to make holes. Soft grip handle with texturing for improved grip. Demo edge maximizes striking force. VIWIEU nail holder for hammering can well hold the nails in place when you make hammering, protecting your fingers and hands from claw hammer strikes for small finishing nails, picture hangers. This protective nail holder is designed with ergonomic long handle, which can help grip the nails snugly and make nails easier to position, aligns nails to maximize precision and always drive in at the perfect angle. There are 11 assorted sizes holes at 2 levels heights, which can well meet your needs at different heights to well fix the nails in place. Durable strong stainless steel rust-resistant blades. Forging press manufacturing process enables high-density steel that makes 3 times harder than normal stainless steel and are smoother cutting. Suitable for pruning shear, cutting heavy-duty materials like upholstery, craft materials, plastic, floral, wire, and also can be used for fabric cutting. Full-length steel blades with titanium coated make the blades superior strength, sharpness, hardness and durability. Perfect scissors in workshop, office, garden, industry and household. "11 inches nail puller, made from high-carbon steel for long-lasting performance and preventing rust, soft plastic-coated grip, easily remove nails, even with damaged head, from wood, perfect for carpenters, construction, handyman, installing new floor, etc." Made from high-quality CRV steel, with overall heat treatment, higher hardness, and long lifetime. The compound action snip set has a durable structure, sharp tooth tip, and easy cutting. The metal safety lock is between the strong handles. It's easy to open and close for a conventional security system. Serrated cutting edges prevent materials from slipping during use. It's safe and easy to do work. Cutting thickness range up to 1.2 mm carbon steel and 0.7 mm stainless steel. You can cut these for metal wire, fine PVC pipe, keel, aluminum, sheet metal, keel, square steel pipe, etc. The punch is made from hardened and tempered steel components that provide wear resistance and strength. It has a round handle that is knurled for grip. The point can be removed for replacement or sharpening. The punch has an adjustable stroke, which can be set by turning the knurled cap and is regulated by spring tension for uniform dimple size at every setting. Center punches make small dimple marks in a workpiece to help guide a drill bit. Manual center punches have a metal shank with a point and are typically tapped with a ball peen hammer to mark the material. Automatic center punches have an internal spring mechanism that enables them to mark the material without using a hammer, leaving one hand free for steadying the work.